Hello everyone. In today's video I will be showing you how to use power savings modes on your Android phone. All Android phones have power saving modes of some sort and sometimes 2 or 3 of them. Power saving mode usually helps in saving the battery's power to last longer than it should have. Like if you have low battery and you have no time to charge your battery, then power saving mode will help you a lot. Firstly, go through your phone and head to the Settings app. Next, locate where it's written battery and press on it. You should see where it's written battery saver and you are going to press on it. For example, Samsung offers a regular power saving mode that reduces screen brightness and slows the CPU. Then there's also an ultra power saver that locks the device to just a few essential applications. Most phones, like those from Google, offer basic power saving modes like the former that can be turned on automatically when the device reaches a certain battery level. This is definitely something you should set up. Now all you have to do is to set a schedule for your battery saver. After having set it up, then anytime your battery reaches a certain percentage it will automatically activate itself. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.